Most money advice gives you half the picture: save more or earn more. But the fastest wealth builders do both. They create a massive gap between what they earn and what they spend, and that gap is the rocket fuel. It's a three-part formula: offense, defense, and the accelerator, so let's build it. Part 1: Offense. Don't sit and wait for a 3% annual raise to find you. Research what your role actually pays, document every win you've delivered, then make the case for a real raise. And if they won't pay you what you're worth, switching jobs is usually the fastest raise you'll ever get. Then look beyond the 9 to 5. Build a high income skill: sales, coding, or marketing. Freelance, consult, or sell a digital product. That's how you break the link between your time and your income. Part 2: Defense. Because offense is useless if your spending grows right alongside your income. Your number one enemy is lifestyle creep. Every raise quietly turns into a bigger car, a bigger apartment, a bigger bill. The fix isn't willpower, it's automation. Set transfers to your investments for the day you get paid. Pay yourself first, and now you live on what's left instead of trying to save what's left. Part 3: The Accelerator. Cash sitting in a checking account is quietly losing value to inflation every single day. Start with your 401k 1k, especially up to the employer match. That matches free money, and you should never leave it behind. Then a Roth IRA where you invest after tax dollars and your growth comes out tax free in retirement. Then automate it. Don't try to time the market. Set a recurring investment into a low cost, broad market index fund. That's the full system. Earn more, spend less, widen the gap, and plow the surplus into automated investments. Which side is harder for you, offense or defense? Comment below and subscribe for one money blueprint every week. This is educational content only, not financial advice.